Welcome back to Motor Hive, the channel where we explore the world of cars, from luxury supercars to everyday vehicles that have left their mark on automotive history. If you love learning about cars, their stories, and their impact on people's lives, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned as we continue to bring you engaging content from all corners of the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a car that may not be the fastest, flashiest, or most luxurious, but it has become an icon in its own right. We're talking about the Suzuki Mehran, a car that has played an enormous role in shaping the automotive landscape in countries like Pakistan and beyond. The Suzuki Mehran is one of the simplest, most recognizable, and most affordable cars in history. Launched as a budget-friendly hatchback, it quickly earned a reputation for being a reliable and practical vehicle for families, students, and first-time car buyers. While it was never meant to compete with high-performance machines or luxury sedans, the Mehran became a symbol of accessibility and mobility, giving countless people the opportunity to own their very first car. This alone makes it a legend in the automotive world. When it comes to design, the Mehran is straightforward and functional. Its boxy shape and compact size may not win design awards, but they serve a purpose. The small footprint makes it easy to maneuver through crowded city streets and tight parking spaces, something that drivers in urban areas greatly appreciate. The simple exterior styling with its squared headlights, minimal curves, and small dimensions reflects the car's no-nonsense philosophy. It was never about standing out, but rather about providing a car that got the job done. Inside, the Mehran keeps things just as simple. The interior is basic, with minimal features and straightforward controls. Comfort and luxury take a backseat here, but that's exactly the point. The car was designed to be affordable and practical, not indulgent. The seats are modest but adequate for short to medium journeys, and the dashboard features only the essentials. For many owners, the simplicity of the interior actually works as an advantage, because it means fewer things that can go wrong and lower costs of repair. Performance-wise, the Mehran is modest but dependable. Equipped with a small engine, it delivers just enough power to handle city driving and occasional highway trips. It's not built for speed or excitement, but rather for fuel efficiency and affordability. The lightweight body makes it easy to drive, especially for beginners, and its low running costs make it appealing for people who want a practical, everyday vehicle. For decades, this combination of efficiency and simplicity made it one of the best-selling cars in its markets. One of the reasons why the Mehran became so popular is its affordability. It was priced in a way that made car ownership accessible to a wide range of people, and its running costs were low thanks to excellent fuel economy and inexpensive spare parts. The availability of parts and the ease of repair meant that owners never had to worry about high maintenance bills. Local mechanics were familiar with the car, and this made ownership hassle-free. This affordability and ease of ownership turned the Mehran into a household name, often passed down through generations as a family's reliable mode of transport. The Mehran also carries cultural significance. For many families, it represented their first step into the world of car ownership. It was often the car that parents used to take their children to school, the car used for family outings, and the car that gave young drivers their first experience behind the wheel. Over time, it became more than just a mode of transport, it became a part of people's memories and experiences. This emotional connection is one of the reasons why it holds such a special place in people's hearts, even long after newer, more advanced cars entered the market. Despite its success, the Mehran was often criticized for being outdated, as its design and technology barely changed over decades. While other manufacturers introduced more advanced safety features, comfort options, and performance upgrades, the Mehran remained largely the same. Yet, this resistance to change actually worked in its favor in some ways. It meant that the car retained its affordability and familiarity, and buyers knew exactly what they were getting. For many, this consistency was part of the appeal. Today, the Mehran is no longer in production, but its legacy lives on. It is remembered as the car that put millions of people on the road, a vehicle that represented independence and mobility for families across the country. Even now, you can see it dominating the streets, a testament to its durability and lasting impact. For collectors and enthusiasts, the Mehran may never reach the status of a luxury classic, but in its own way, it is just as important. It tells the story of how a simple, affordable car can change lives and shape a nation's automotive culture. In conclusion, the Suzuki Mehran is proof that a car doesn't need to be fast, luxurious, or groundbreaking to be iconic. Sometimes, the simplest vehicles are the ones that make the biggest difference in people's lives. The Mehran may have been basic, but it was dependable, affordable, and accessible, making it a car that defined an era of motoring for countless families. Its story is one of practicality, accessibility, and cultural significance, qualities that make it a legend in its own right. Thank you for watching Motor Hive. If you enjoyed this look into the story of the Suzuki Mehran, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Share your memories of the Mehran in the comments below. Was it your first car, or do you still own one today? We'd love to hear your experiences. Stay tuned for more as we continue exploring the cars that have shaped the world of motoring in unique and unforgettable ways.